Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Who says you need to break the bank to achieve a designer inspired home? Today I'm sharing my top 10 designer dupes that will make your friends think you've splurged without the hefty price tag. From sleek storage solutions to stylish seating, I've scoured the IKEA store to bring you the most spot on designer lookalikes. The best part? These finds won't drain your wallet, so you can create a luxurious space you've always wanted on a budget. So if you're ready to level up your home decor without sacrificing your savings, keep watching. I'm about to spill all the best IKEA hacks for scoring that designer aesthetic for less. Let's get started. The IKEA High-Top sofa is a fantastic alternative to the Studio Mcgee Iman slipcover sofa, offering similar style and comfort at a fraction of the cost. With its clean lines, sleek silhouette and removable slipcovers, the High-Top exudes a modern, sophisticated aesthetic that rivals its pricier counterpart. It's also an excellent substitution for the discontinued Farlov sofa, providing the same cosy, inviting vibe without the hefty price tag or frustrating search. Plus, the High-Top's affordable price point and IKEA's widespread availability makes it an accessible option for anyone seeking a stylish, functional sofa without breaking the bank. If you love the sleek modern aesthetics of the Studio Mcgee Emery dining table, the Mcgee table from IKEA is a fantastic alternative. While it might be slightly smaller in size, the style is spot on, with a similar minimalist design and clean lines that create a sense of openness and flow. The Mcgee's sturdy legs and smooth matte finish give it a high-end look that belies its affordable price point. Plus, as an IKEA piece, it's easy to customise and pair it with a variety of chairs to create a dining set that perfectly suits the space and style. It's a big thumbs up from me. The IKEA Stockholm chair is a masterclass in affordable modern designer style. This sleek streamlined seat boasts clean lines, tapered legs and a contoured back that cradles you in comfort. The Stockholm's refined upholstery rivals the pricier chairs like the Studio Mcgee Lucinda. But unlike that design investment piece, the Stockholm is a budget-friendly steal. Plus, its easy, wipe-clean maintenance makes it a practical choice for families and messy eaters. So why break the bank for the Lucinda when the Stockholm delivers high-end style and functionality at a fraction of the cost? The IKEA Vimley is an excellent dupe to pricey alternatives like the Studio Mcgee and Macy Ottoman. Not only is it budget friendly, but it also offers loads of colours to match your home decor. Plus, the extra storage is a practical bonus for stashing away all that clutter. With its affordable price tag, versatility and sleek look, the Vimley is a smart choice for those seeking a similar ottoman without the hefty cost. If you're in the market for a stylish and versatile sideboard or storage unit, consider the IKEA Besta series paired with the Bokovican door fronts. This combination makes a fantastic alternative to the pricier Studio Mcgee Muro sideboard. Besta units offer amazing flexibility in their design. You can choose from a variety of sizes, configurations, door and drawer front styles to perfectly suit your space and aesthetic. The Bokovican fronts bring a touch of sophistication with their wood grain appearance. Whether you need a sideboard for dining storage, a media console, or a storage unit for any room, Besta's adaptability shines through. Have you incorporated Besta into your home? Let me know in the comments. The IKEA Skansen Extendable dining table offers a budget-friendly alternative to the Studio Mcgee Mcgee dining table, whilst capturing its similar aesthetic. Although the Skansen may come in different wood tone, its clean lines, tapered legs and overall minimalist silhouette evoke the same modern sophistication as the Mcgee. The extendable feature of the Skansen provides versatility for accommodating varying numbers of guests. For those drawn to the Mcgee's look but working within a budget, the Skansen is certainly worth exploring as a more affordable yet similarly stylish option. I love the sleek modern style of the Studio Mcgee Telebeck dresser. So I found the IKEA Bjorknäs chest of drawers offers a strikingly similar aesthetic at a fraction of the cost. By pairing two of these affordable pieces together, you can create the Telebeck's expansive storage and sophisticated look. The Bjorknäs boasts the same clean lines, minimalist silhouette and versatile white finish that makes the Telebeck a standout. So why break the bank on a high-end dresser when you can achieve a similar chic contemporary vibe with the IKEA's budget-friendly alternative?